Today we're talking about the benefits of upgrading to a smart thermostat. So what exactly is a smart thermostat? Well, it's a Wi-Fi enabled device that allows you to control your home's heating and cooling system from anywhere using your smartphone or other smart devices. One of the biggest benefits of upgrading to a smart thermostat is increased energy efficiency. Smart thermostats learn your heating and cooling preferences over time, automatically adjust the temperature to maximize comfort while minimizing energy waste. In fact, studies have shown that homeowners can save up to 20% on their heating and cooling bills by using a smart thermostat. Another great benefit is convenience. With a smart thermostat, you can adjust the temperature of your home from anywhere, at any time. Forgot to turn the cooling off before leaving for vacation? No problem. Just pull out your smartphone and make the adjustment from wherever you are. Plus, smart thermostats can also help improve your home's comfort level by automatically adjusting the temperature based on your preferences and schedule. You'll always come home to a comfortable environment. And let's not forget about the environmental benefits. By reducing energy consumption, smart thermostats help lower your carbon footprint and contribute to a more sustainable future. So whether you're looking to save money, enjoy greater convenience, or reduce your environmental impact, upgrading to a smart thermostat is a smart choice for any homeowner. If you found this video helpful, make sure to like, comment, and subscribe for more plumbing and HVAC tips, and we'll see you in the next video.